In this video, I am going to show you how to use Humana Spending Account Card. According to Humana, the Humana Spending Account Card lets eligible members pay for approved expenses such as eligible over-the-counter OTC items and, depending on the plan, healthy foods, utilities, rent, or other covered services. The available benefits vary by plan. So when you receive your card, you will have to activate it using the instructions included with the card. Then you can also activate it through the Humana account or the supported benefits portal, depending on your plan. Your card must be activated before using it for the first time. Before shopping, sign in into your Humana member account, check your available balance, and review which benefits your plan includes, since covered items differs from one plan to another. Choose the items that are covered by your plan. Depending on your Humana plan, your card may accepted or may be accepted for eligible OTC health products, healthy food, utilities, rent, or other approved services. Not every item or retailer is eligible, so always check your plan details first. Then at checkout, you will have to present your Humana Spending Account card and follow the payment instructions at the terminal. If your purchase includes non-covered items or exceeded your available balance, pay the remaining amount with another payment method. After your purchase, you can check your remaining balance on the Humana account and keep your receipts in case you need to verify an eligible expense or review your transactions later. If your card was declined for any reason, just make sure your card is activated and that you have enough available funds in your card. And keep in mind, or you'll have to check, that you are purchasing items covered by your specific Humana plan as well. So that's how you use a Humana Spending Account card. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.